My people, how na day today now? Most of the time, Baba God, Baba God, all I'll see today, you see count us among the living. We are gonna gather more align this matter. This matter when I want to align, so it really be one thing when they affect us for Africa now. May not say Africa, shall may not be like they over the talk. For this our Naija, so wetin really they happen. Now one thing when I won't really talk about now this issue with married women cheating, it can't be too much show. Because I don't understand wetin they happen. Say married women, you don't marry, they pay your bride price normal. You know say we don't marry. But that side no go let you come out. Because I don't understand. You go dey roll like single girl. You go dey act like single girl. I never understand that logic. These days now married women they go outside, they go they find that guy. Now they will toast the guy. Not be saying that the guy can't toast them. Now they go toast the guy. They get husband for house. Not be say the husband die. Not to do the husband, but they'll go outside. They sleep with other guys. It gets some tradition for this our Naija, so make we know say most of all those things either they affect the man or they affect the children. But as a woman, you know that thing, but you'll see the shook leg for her side. Even when the man go dey sick, you know say see what you do. You know go quick talk and come out when they do the necessary things. You go let the man die your way. Because I don't understand. I use they observe some kind things so. It could you be like say na normal thing for married women to just dey sleep around. Because wetin really they happen? Is it that we know you can't know ourselves again? Those days, for you to shake married woman, self as a man, self now you know even be waiting good for a year. But you go see married woman, you go say I'm going to see my ex. You dey go see your ex when you don't marry. What you dey go see her for? Because I don't understand this logic. The rate at which married women they cheat now. It you be like normal thing for our culture. Now you be like normal thing for our culture. Like I bet now one of those things. It not be one of those things, my guy. It not be one of those things. They not force you marry. If you don't say as a woman, you know if they faithful to that man, you will perish from one side. Let you won't marry, make them marry. You go they call the man go abroad. He just leave me. They force you. Now that's I know they like. So if the man won't marry, they tell the man, say you must carry me go there abroad. I know they marry when they keep me for Nigeria, you there abroad. If you don't say you fit do that kind of poet, if you don't say you know people come out body. Because the rate at which married women they cheat now, I don't understand. The thing they wonder because those days all those things now better abomination. Now waiting we know the year of, now waiting we know they think of, now waiting not good for a year. But these days they happen. Because I don't understand. If they don't legalize the thing, a normal thing now for our Naija. My people wanna enter comments. Make we hear this matter. I been a normal thing, I mean no know. I mean you're the fee say. I mean see they live for the olden days era. And people wanna enter comments. More align this matter away. More na drop on a suggestion about what really they cause this thing. At the same time, my people, more not forget to like, more not forget to subscribe. And this update show, more not forget to share. People they may need to hear them. And that bear, more not forget to touch them. My people, una do.